Alright, what is up YouTube? Today we're gonna talk about how you can boost your strength using creatine. I'm Gymaholic, by the way, and let's go. Today we will talk about what is creatine, where can you find it, the effects of creatine, and the strength increases you get from it. So what is creatine? It is a naturally occurring compound which are found in muscles, your brain and other places. It is used by athletes and bodybuilders. Creatine has the effect of increased strength and size, improve exercise performance, and it even enhances your recovery. Supplements typically are found in powder or tablet form. And yeah, where can you find creatine? There are small amounts of creatine in beef, pork and fish, but it is difficult to take it from your food alone, so taking supplementation helps a lot. I will personally take creatine monohydrate. It is cheap, it's easy to afford, and it's the most studied creatine, the most studied form of creatine. The effects of creatine are increased muscle mass, more muscle strength and power, especially short duration, high intensity type, which means doing short bursts of energy, like 5 reps on a heavy bench press. Increased muscle size, because it helps you lift more weights, so more weight equals more muscle. Improved exercise performance, it allows you to train harder and for longer periods of times before you fatigue. And enhanced recovery, which is basically more recovery, and that means you can train a muscle more often. Some strength increases. One meta-analysis of 22 studies found that creatine supplementation and weight training increased 8% in strength and 14% increases in muscle power. Meta-analysis is a lot of studies put together, and yeah, some other studies found even greater increases, especially in younger individuals, which means if you're younger, you get more use out of creatine. And that's it, man. Like and subscribe, it helps me out. Comment questions, what other videos you want me to do. And yeah, man, that's me. See ya.